Bafowethu anginibingelele nginamkelele channel Maswidi production obingelelayo Mxolisi Dlomo waphansi le Nkandla. Uma ngabe ke uyaqala ukufika cela ukuthi ngenze isiqiniseko sokuthi ucofa subscribe maqedwe bale video, ushaye like bese ke uyakhomenta kulolu daba lonamhlanje. Nganza kwethu njengamanje ngizocela nje ukuthi ke simamele umnumzane noma ngithi nje uDr Hlophe echaza ngeqhinga abeza nalo noMsholozi lapha kumkhonto wesizwe, njengoba ke esithatha isinqumo sokuba ke asule kuJC emva kokubona ukuthi ke bamthene emhlane. Babe ke sebethi ke beza nestrategy esisha ukuthi ke kube khona omunye eqenjini lomkhonto wesizwe ozokhuphuka ayovala isikhundla sakhe kuze kube ke yena ulungisa inkinga zakhe. Ngicela ukuthi ke umuzwe nendlela nje akakhuluma ngayo uDr Hlophe.
You asked me a personal question about the JSC. Yes, the JSC, I consider myself a member of the JSC, right? The reason why I decided to withdraw from the JSC was strategic. The party has a right to be represented. MK party is an official opposition, so I've been gagged by this judiciary of Ramaphosa, meaning I cannot participate in the JSC. And then the party suffers because the party is not represented. There is no provision in the constitution for an alternate member. So the obvious thing for me to do was to withdraw, so that the party would deploy somebody else, so that the party would deploy somebody else in the JSC until my problems are cleared. I'm talking about political problems, because there is nothing legal. The Constitution is very clear. I have a right to sit on the JSC. Here in Parliament, I sit on the Justice Portfolio Committee. One of the things that the Justice Portfolio Committee does is to recommend salary adjustment for judges. So I can recommend their salaries and fix their salaries, but I can't interview them, right? So it's a strange situation. I can tell you what I'm doing was done by Justice Harding in America. He came from the state of Florida. He was the first black judge to be impeached. After he was impeached, he joined the Congress. He became a congressman in the state of Florida, and he was deployed to the JSC. In South Africa, when it suits a white man to look to other jurisdictions, to go to America and to go to the West by way of comparison, they do that without hesitation. There is no reason why that precedent was not followed. And the courts are courts of law, not courts of morals. Since when are courts of morals? It is only starting now because of Hlophe. Thank you.